Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share yet another accessory for the Sigma FP. For those of you familiar with this little cinema full-frame wonder that is a pocketable camera, believe it or not, I mean, when you really think about it, that is when the lens is off, that's capable of shooting raw 4K 12-bit video, you don't have a viewfinder. If you didn't notice that already, we have a fixed display but no EVF of any kind. And that's something some people will wish existed for this. And I completely understand that in every way, shape, and form. And so the way Sigma has addressed that is frankly the only way they could, which is create an LCD viewfinder. This is the LVF11. It retails for a little under $300 US. I'll include a link in the description. This was part of what Sigma sent over to get me started out with this crazy little camera that they've cooked up. And you know, the FP has been on the market for roughly a year. And essentially, this does exactly what you think. It is an attachable, so a modular mount that essentially once you've put it on, and I will have to read some instructions, I'm not going to pretend to know exactly how it mounts, but I see the 2 pins there. I'm assuming it goes right over the LCD, because essentially what it's going to do is give you a 2.5 times magnification of the LCD screen itself. So let's see what else is in the box. It's not actually an LCD, if you were wondering. It is exactly what I just described. So it comes with a Allen key with 2 screws to actually attach it, to mount it. Makes sense. Carrying case right there. Instructions on how to do this. I'm not going to do this now and see if I can break it. We're going to do it the right way, off camera, and then I'll address the actual installation in a follow-up video. And then we have what I believe is the part you need for mounting. If I can get it out of there. Let's see, I may just have to turn this over, and I did. And this is, yeah, so this is going to mount to the base, and then you can see the 2 holes where this is going to slot in. So yeah, basically you're going to use those screws with the Allen key to attach this, fairly simple, and then this is going to just mount right on the 1/4-20 that's at the base, and there you have what it will eventually look like. I'm kind of losing it, but that is exactly how it will look. Let's try that one more time. I mean, I'll eventually show you the finished product, but just so you can see, this is exactly what this is going to look like right there. And there you have it. So that is, again, the Sigma LCD viewfinder, the LVF11, which is yet another accessory that I have to imagine you're going to want to have if you are going to use this for any form of professional work, because without an EVF, this is your only true solution. Of course, you can use an external monitor, but if you're trying to keep this monster as compact as possible, this is a lot smaller than taking it up to the next level. And also, the ability to see fine detail is going to be better, I think, in this capacity than using an external monitor. But it's really a matter of personal preference. Of course, I'll be testing this out. I'll also be testing it out with an external monitor, and then I can give you an informed and, of course, realized opinion based on how this magnification system works with the onboard LCD. But that pretty much rounds it out. Again, just a unboxing and first look at the LVF11 from Sigma, everything made in Japan, and I'm just really excited to start testing this full frame cinema monster out and give all of you feedback and impressions and help you decide and determine whether or not it's the type of tool you want to have in your bag. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them, hit that like button, and as usual, please feel free to subscribe. And please stay safe. Later.